What is going on today, guys? Welcome back. It is actually a beautiful Sunday afternoon. So this video is probably gonna jump around a little bit. So we've done some filming previously. I think I'm just now getting to the intro Sunday afternoon. So let me just kind of play catch up just a little bit. Oh, such a nice day out. First nice day of the season. It's actually supposed to be like 66 today. First opening day for Beach Bend, the local track, doing its test and tune. So what we're doing now is actually we're gonna go jump over to the King Speed shop and give Michael a hand. Richard, you guys don't really know who Richard is, but Richard has a truck that King Speed built that Michael has a big part in building and helping. Having a little bit of transmission issues. We're gonna go test and tune it. So I'm gonna go over there, give those guys a hand, make sure that they are good, spend a little time at the track, and then we'll come back here and get even more work done. But anyway, we got the fastest, most beastly vehicle in the fleet warming up over here, and we're gonna jump over to the shop. So while we're headed over to the shop, I didn't really get a chance to ever fill you guys in on something that happened, I think about last week or so. We actually went to Frank Hawley's drag racing school to get our pro license. So that was actually such an amazing, great experience. Went ahead, got my licensing passes done for my pro license for this upcoming year for the Pro Street truck, which you need your pro license to do because of the times that you're running. Absolutely amazing, great experience. If you guys are interested in drag racing on any level, super great class. Frank is just a rock star when it comes to teaching and just life experiences, and just all around just a really good class. So if you guys are interested in that, I mean, I have nothing to gain from telling you guys this, but we went and did it. It was a great time. It was a great experience, 2-day class. But I've actually got some footage from me doing some of my passes. So while we're headed over to the shop, I'm gonna shut this door, and then why don't you guys check out some of the passes and stuff that we were doing there. We're not quite at the King Speed shop yet, but just a couple other quick things I wanted to mention. Again, Frank Hawley Drag Racing School, you know, highly recommend it. 5 out of 5 stars. If you guys need your pro license or just kind of want to get into drag racing, or looking for a school to kind of help with any of that, go check them out. Really good stuff. Anyway, also on the list, just wanted to remind you guys about the first ODSS race coming up in Florida. I will put the dates up on the screen. We will be there. Obviously, we will not be with the planned race truck, but we will be there. We will be hanging out. Come find us. We'll be in the pit somewhere. Also, Ultimate Call Out Challenge. If the Ultimate Call Out Challenge is not on your schedule, that is something people come from all over the country to come attend, and it is by far the best show. We are planning on having the race truck there and doing some racing, not in the Ultimate Call Out Challenge, but ODSS actually runs their pro classes at that event this year. So I'll put the dates up on that. If you guys still need tickets for that, don't wait to buy tickets when you get there. Buy tickets now, buy them online. Use Greg A at the checkout for discounted tickets. Don't pay full price. Why would you pay full price? So use my code and get tickets ahead of time. But anyway, those are the big things. Make sure you guys coming out to the ODSS events. We'll be at every single one with one vehicle sort or another, Ultimate Call Out Challenge, and I believe that's pretty much it. I keep forgetting to mention those couple things. So now I believe we are almost at the shop. Okay, we're here. We're gonna try and squeeze through the door. see who comes to the door first. Hello, Michael. Hello, Leslie. What up, Les? What up? Whoa! Wow! All right, well, just make yourself at home. Oh, all righty then. Good luck for safety. That's my jam. Turn this up, yo.
Credit where credit is due.
I'm trying to mark out the address so nobody knows where my house is. Guys, all right, guys, welcome back. What's going on? Obviously, because we're professional welders now, is that thing pointed at me? Is it up here on my face?
Yeah.
Is it down here? Is it up here? You know what you're doing over there? Anyway, so we got a couple things in. We're gonna open up this video, open up some boxes because we've got some welding to do. Actually, we've got lots of welding to do. But obviously our first day owning the welder, we can't leave anything alone. So we ordered a whole bunch of stuff for our welder. So we're gonna open up some of this stuff. It's kind of exciting, not really exciting. Some material, some other crap. Michael made a big cart and here we are. So anyway, we'll speed through this process fairly quickly if I can get these open. I think this is just welding rod that I'm throwing around. Oh no. There was welding rod inside of this nice tube. It's all inside this box. We're just gonna throw things all around right now because, you know, we need to get some work done. All right, so this is a new torch setup. What's that, stubby torch setup?
Yep.
All right, so stubby torch setup. So we ordered from Weld Porn, because obviously we're gonna be featured on there someday soon. This is just like a bottle holder, new torch setup, a couple other things. That's that. This box is heavy. I can't even remember what. Oh, did I grab the wrong box? All right. Well, this is a fluid damper box. Shout out to Fluid Damper. That's for another video, that's for another time. So that is not a welding box. All right, here's the goods. Here's the goods. We got a new.
We were looking at the goods.
What?
We were looking at the goods.
So, we got a new welding helmet, a couple other things, some supplies, a battery, gloves for Michael's little hands. He wears mediums. You know, a couple other things.
Whoa.
Big fan of the YouTube channel. Whoa! These guys know who we are. Wow. I don't know what's in here, but they're a fan. Look at that shirt. These guys hooked us up with some shirts, weldersupply.com. It's kind of a funny story. So we were ordering some supplies. We wanted a new torch setup, and I really wanted a new helmet, and I want a new helmet for Michael to use as well. So we were gonna buy them from Amazon, and then I'm like, you know what? Like, let's just shop around a little bit. So we actually randomly stumbled. You got trying on the gloves? Welder Supply Company. Weldersupply.com. So we stumbled across weldersupply.com. They actually had a cheaper price on the Miller helmet that I wanted. Next thing you know, and it's funny, me and Michael were talking about this, we're like, what a great website. So we went ahead, we added the helmet to the cart. We wanted to get some batteries, wanted to get some lenses, super well laid out. And this is completely random. Like, we paid for all this stuff. I was literally gonna order it from Amazon. Ordered it from them, ended up ordering a bunch of stuff from them just because their website was so well laid out. All the prices were really good. It was free shipping, and we ordered this stuff, and it was like a day later that the stuff showed up. So go check, like if you guys are interested in Welding Supply, we probably could have even gotten a torch setup from them, but probably be using them a bunch in the future. So huge thank you to you guys. And if you guys are interested in anything, go check them out. You won't be disappointed in the prices and the service and the shipping. So that's awesome. That's so cool. I love when stuff like this happens. It's really cool to you know, see you guys support. We appreciate it very much. So anyway, we are gonna get to work. We're gonna finish unboxing all this stuff and put this stuff to work. Man, I think we're gonna have to put one of those on the welder.
Yeah, I agree.
We got some more horsepowers. Our welder is gonna be stickered up. Definitely adding some horsepower to that baby.
You're gonna need your knife.
Is it really a VHS tape?
Yeah.
Is this gonna teach us how to weld?
Yeah.
All right, so inside the Weld Porn order, here, you wanna open this? And Michael's really happy about all the stickers in this order.
Oh yeah.
He's got a very special place in his house that they go. It's not
a stubby kit.
It's not a VHS kit.
No, I'm just kidding.
You were thinking that the second part of this word was gonna be on a VHS tape, weren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, I knew it. Fancy things?
Yes. Look at the football, Greg.
So apparently, according to everyone, the Furic Fupa cups instantly make you a professional welder. So I figured that these were necessary for us to become, you know, the best. So got some Furic cups. So we got a straight stubby torch. You know, we got the angled one that came with the AHP welder, but we decided to get a mini one, fixed one as well. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, it's not fixed, it's a flex. So we can flex on the gram. We can flex on the gram with our flex head. How's she looking? Hey, nice mohawk, dude. What? B.A. Baracus over here. B.A. Baracus' little brother from the A-team. Got the mohawk going on.
It's Mr. T, bro.
His name's B.A. Baracus, isn't it? I mean, that's like Mr. T's a street name.
We're on the streets.
Man, guys, check this out. We haven't updated you guys. I've been trying to. We're working on this last piece here to give you the full idea here, but man, oh man, it is looking like. Let me just walk around here. Let me give you the full walk around, but it is looking so good. Time consuming, but looking good. Nice bead rolling. The bead rolling makes all the difference. But went ahead, got those 5 pieces pretty much done, and then the bedsides are over there. We went ahead and attached those so we can mount the bedsides. But you know, working on that fab work. Welder over here is doing an amazing job. Oh yeah.